quiet roads, sun is rising. It's the start of a new day. It's the start of a new beginning. What this day holds for me, what today will happen. Questions in my mind as I notice the birds next to me. They have started to be my friends. Day by day I follow their activities as I do my own. These enchanting creatures, they often catch my attention, and sometimes I feel like they're talking to me, telling me everything will be okay. They sing so beautiful, it is so calming. I feel the sun on my skin, feeling the warm wind of fresh air. Bird song merge with the sound from wind and swinging tree leaves. And that moment I think this is a new day, new start.